Why are sexually transmitted infections on the rise in the US? Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be discussing a very important topic, the rise in sexually transmitted infections in the US. It's a topic that deserves our attention because it's affecting people of all ages and backgrounds. So let's dive in and explore some of the reasons behind this trend. First, let's take a look at the numbers. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, the rates of sexually transmitted infections have been steadily increasing in the US over the past few years. In 2019, there were over 2.5 million cases of chlamydia, gonorrhea, and syphilis reported, which is the highest number ever recorded. So what's causing this increase? Well, there are a few different factors at play here. One major reason is the lack of comprehensive sex education in schools. Many young people are not taught about the risks of unprotected sex or how to protect themselves from sexually transmitted infections. This leads to a lack of awareness and an increased risk of contracting an infection. Additionally, there is still a stigma around discussing sex and sexually transmitted infections. Many people feel embarrassed or ashamed to talk about these topics with their partners or healthcare providers. This can lead to a lack of communication and a failure to disclose one's sexual history, which can further perpetuate the spread of infections. Another contributing factor is the rise of dating apps and casual hookups. While these platforms can be a convenient way to meet new people, they also increase the likelihood of having unprotected sex with a stranger, which can lead to the transmission of infections. Finally, there is also the issue of inadequate access to healthcare, particularly for marginalized communities. Many people may not have the financial means or the insurance coverage to get regular checkups and receive treatment for sexually transmitted infections. This can lead to untreated infections and further transmission of the disease. So, what can we do to address this issue? First, we need to prioritize comprehensive sex education in schools and promote open and honest communication about sexual health. We also need to work towards reducing the stigma surrounding sexually transmitted infections and provide better access to healthcare for all. By taking these steps, we can start to reverse the trend of rising sexually transmitted infections in the US. Thank you for watching, and we hope that this video has helped shed some light on this important topic. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.